Nongshim. I already booked it. Yeah. Where's my man? Hope there's no problem. So, what's our plan today, please?
Okay, so we really want to go to Sikihoa, but all ferries are maybe cancelled, so we don't know. We don't have a plan. If it's not going well, then we stay in Trankilo one, maybe.
Yeah. So we gotta go to the seaport first,
Yeah.
and then we will check out the if there's a ferry. If there's a ferry to Sikihoru, then we can get a ferry to another island. Let's see.
Maybe if they are also cancelled, then we just are stuck.
Yeah. Bye bye. Good luck. Have fun there. Yeah. Thank you, Junia Zero. And 300. Thank you. Yeah. As long as the ferry runs,
Yeah.
everything's okay. Yeah.
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 No, we just like positive mindset. Okay, so we are soon at the ferry port.
Yep.
And I hope we get the tickets and the ferry goes
Yes.
to Sikihoa.
Yeah. Let's see your positive energy.
Yes. We
Yeah.
have to be very positive today.
Yep. Nice day. Have a nice day. This is tickets.
안녕하세요.
Oh, 안녕하세요. How do you know I'm Korean? How do you know that?
I look your face Korean.
Really? Thank you.
Filipino.
Hi.
Face.
I look like Filipinos, right? Any ferries canceled yesterday? Is it? Oh, really? No canceled? Okay. It's not gonna be canceled. Oh, good. I think your positive energy worked. Thank you. Thank you. Yes. The other one looks nicer actually, but
No, it looks nice.
yeah, it looks okay. Hi. That's good. Oh, I thought it was upstairs, but
That
nice.
looks cool.
Yes, good.
Very cool.
It's up to you which one. I like this cafe.
Really nice.
Yeah. Even the packaging, I like it.
Yeah, it looks
Yes.
very nice.
Mm. Careful, maybe there is a seed inside the tangerine in Asia. Yeah.
You can just spit them out.
Mhm.
It's fine.
14.
Thank you so much.
Thank
Have
you.
a nice day.
Now you look happier under the shadow.
Yeah. Sorry.
I was just
Now I
joking.
can open my eyes. Yeah.
Hi. Oh, are you a YouTuber?
Yeah. That's right.
Yeah. Cuties. So we have to check it here first. Check-in counter. Is it cancelled?
Hello, Sikihoa. Is it at 3:20?
Yes.
But it says cancelled.
Yes, it's canceled.
It's not going.
Yes.
Really?
Little big waves.
Is it going to Cebu?
Yes.
And when?
320.
Also 3:20.
Yes.
But that's not cancelled.
Only Sikihoru.
Only Sikihoa. Oh my god, we went to Sikihoa.
Then Cebu?
And from Dumaguete?
Maganda is morning 10:40.
Oh, and anywhere else today? Only Cebu?
Yes, only Cebu.
Or should we stay here one night and then go to Sikihoa?
Yeah, you don't want to go to Cebu.
No, not really.
Yeah, me neither.
Okay. But and tomorrow it will go to Sikihoa? Maybe also cancel tomorrow. Maybe. Maybe if the weather changed.
The light port.
At the one? What?
Light port.
Light port.
Yes. But first you have to refund your ticket and then purchase another ticket for another company.
And
Okay.
how much is it? Do you know?
Maybe 500 or 400 something.
Okay.
Cheaper.
It's cheaper, it's big boat.
When? Do you know?
Night.
At night.
Yes.
Hello, you buy
Hi.
ticket?
Yeah, I already bought it. Hi. So we are here to get the refund because our ferry has cancelled. So still have to wait here? Okay. But I heard that there is another big ferry that goes to Sikihoru today. That's what the guy said.
Nice Sikihoru, yeah?
Yeah, nice Sikihoru.
The schedule is Monday, Wednesday, and Saturday.
Yeah, today is Monday.
Okay, like point karon. Point there. Like shipping.
밤에 가는 페리 가 수도 있다고 해가지고 여기 한번 체크를 해보자. Excuse me, sir. Light chippy? Light chippy? That one?
Second floor.
Second floor. Thank you. 근데 필리핀은 괜찮은 영어를 잘 잘하셔가지고 이건 좋은 것 같아요. 바로 앞에 있는 게 아니라 겁나 복잡하게 있네. 이거 그냥 찾으려고 했으면 못 찾았다. Light shipping. 그래서 물어봐야 돼요. Sikihoru tonight?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
We have prayer tonight. 8 p.m.
8 p.m. And what time does it arrive?
11 p.m.
11. But the problem is we can go, but are there many transportations? Even after midnight, you think? You don't think so? But after the ferry, if there is anything we can ride, then it doesn't matter.
You can ride a motorcycle there, sir.
But,
There's a motorcycle.
but we are not gonna rent. Yeah, we are two of us, but we want to ride a tricycle or taxi.
You can just ask there from the
Okay, but we still have a ticket tonight.
Yeah.
How much is it for two?
385 each.
385? 아, 떨어져서 이렇게 연락을 좀 하면서 하려고 했더니 여기서 안 터지냐. Yeah, we have nobody answered. So we
It's ring, but nobody answers.
yeah. 마지막 남은 이거라도 없으면 안 되니까 지금 겁나 뜨거워 있어. 뭐 하는 짓이야. Like plant-based burger steak, yeah. Oh, vegan life has started now. Still, it's eatable, and then yeah, I think I can really live like vegan. But I'm not sure if when I'm really hungry, but nice. As a vegan, how do you like this ramen?
The ramen is very good.
It's
yeah,
very
it's
good?
not spicy. It's very mild.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, it's very
Yeah.
good.
How do you rate this, please?
Maybe Nongshim. Nongshim.
Oh, close.
Nongshim.
But have more confidence.
Nongshim.
Oh, good. Yeah, Nongshim, nice.
Nongshim.
And what about, can you rate this?
Soon.
Mm-hmm.
That's easy. Soon veggie cup.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Say, sun ramen.
Soon ramen.
Good job. Yes, sun ramen. Nice.
Yeah, it's very good. I really like it.
Nice vegan food, no?
Yeah, it's vegan.
Yeah.
It says
Okay.
vegan.
Okay, so waiting for the advertisement from Nongshim, okay? it's a time.
Yeah. It's time. Yeah, we are like boarding the ferry, hopefully.
Yeah.
And yeah, we will see.
Yeah, you're back in 5 hours at the same place.
Hi.
Hello, sir. Yeah. All right. Hopefully, no problem.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Outside direction.
Let's go. Streets. Good evening. Thank you.
Sorry, but it says 8 p.m. 8 p.m. and now it's evening.
Wow, it looks actually better. Oh, okay. But let's not get so excited until we see actually. You know that happens already, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. What is this? Is it a bed? Did you know that? I thought it was just seats. Oh, even better. So we have 269 and 70.
Yeah.
There it
Here
is.
it's only 100.
Okay. What of this?
Oh. On the other side.
Okay. Yeah, here.
Oh.
This is even better. We have a space, you know, between us. Nice. Perfect. But it doesn't really feel like moving.
No, really. It's very slow.
But it actually left. Nice. Okay. 3 hours with them. 다 좋은데 문제는 두 가지입니다. 에어컨이 없고요. 그리고 밑에 우리 바퀴 바 선생님들이 많아요. 그것만 빼면 괜찮습니다. 3시간이니까. 왜?
Shut up. Oh my god, I look so disgusting.
아,
Oh wait, it's there. No.
와, 30분을 기다리게 만들어. 1시간에 늦게 도착했으면서. Oh, we finally made it, but after 1.5 hours.
After 4 hours.
I mean, no, later than 1.5 hours. I mean.
Oh, late.
We're supposed to be here at 11 p.m., but now is 1:10. Okay. I hope our driver is still waiting for us.
It's true.
Okay, thanks.
Don't be so.
I thought everything is closed. That was what I worry about, but it's not that bad. There's still so many drivers. Thank you.
Motorbike, sir? Bicycle, ma'am? Right, sir, motorbike. Where? Cheaper price.
So we have reservation in Turkey. Thank you.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you.
To Fable?
Fable, yes. Oh.
Thank you for waiting.
Oh, what a fancy.
It's not falling down.
지금 시간이 현재 12시 한 20분? 근데 아직 환하고 또 이렇게 교통 호객해주는 분들이 있어요. 물론 값은 좀 비싸겠지만 충분히 걱정하지 않고 와도 될 것 같습니다. 오늘 참고로 월요일 밤이고요. 네. 이런 엄청난 팬시 트라이사이클을 탈 수 있는 그런 yes.
20 minutes in going to...
머리가 지금 천장에 닿고 있어. 와, 거기에 빈틈이 없는 스타일들은 역시 샤워 이렇게 널찍하게 잘 되죠. 물 이런 거 물이랑 샴푸 공짜로 쓸 수 있게 해놨고 화장실도 이렇게 잘 돼 있어. 가끔씩 좀 큰 벌레가 나서 그렇지. 이거는 지금 둘만 쓰고 있습니다. Okay, can I film a little just in case? Okay. Okay. Not completely. Okay. Anyways,